And the thing about Instagram ads that a lot of people are saying like over and over again is like, hey, like I just ran an ad for whether it's $5 or $10 or $100 and now my reach is crap. And this is a thing that's happening over and over and over again. So is Instagram actually like shadow banning these people for running ads? Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. If you're new here or you don't know who I am, my name's Anthony. I actually run a 1 million follower network on Instagram and I also run an Instagram marketing agency. I make videos like this to help you take your account from 0 to hero, show you how to grow, how to monetize. So if you're trying to do any of that, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel for daily Instagram uploads teaching you everything about Instagram. I also give away audits every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. An audit is basically where I take a look at your Instagram account and I break out the pros and cons and what you need to do to actually grow. If you want to enter for that, all that you have to do is be 1, subscribe to the channel, and 2, leave a thoughtful comment down below. That is all that you have to do, and every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I select somebody. With all that said, guys, let's get into my thoughts on the Instagram ads ban. This is a topic that's going crazy. People are running ads and then their limit is just reach. The reach is limited, and this is something that a lot of people are almost skeptical of whether or not they should run ads. So I'm gonna give my thoughts on this, whether or not I think it's real, and give my experience with it. So the theory goes is that once you finally run that Instagram promotion, once you finally run that Instagram promote button, that if you run $5 or $10 or whatever amount of money and then you stop, Instagram goes ahead and they start to decrease your reach, limit the people that you're reaching, and basically this is in hopes for them to have you spend more money on the platform. That is the theory, that people are saying that their reach is being limited. Now, do I think this is possible? 100%, because as I just said, if you're running ads and you're finally giving Instagram money, which is what they want, which is why they've implemented business profiles and given you the perks of seeing the behind the scenes, because eventually they want to get you to the point where you're spending money with the platform. That's why sometimes you get those stupid notifications that say this post is doing 95% better than your other post. Make sure you hit the promote button. For some reason, it's always like the least engaging post. That is all in attempts for you to actually go ahead and run ads so they can go ahead and start getting money from you, so that you can go ahead and start spending money with the platform. They make more money. Instagram monetizes primarily off ad spend, just as Facebook does. So would it not make sense that if you spend money on ads and now Instagram is happy with you and they're promoting you more, and then you completely cold turkey stop running ads, Instagram might get a little bit mad and then they go ahead and they limit you. And what this would do is trick you into thinking like, oh crap, if I don't spend my money on ads, then my posts are gonna do really, really bad and I need ads to get that reach. And I think that's what Instagram ultimately wants, is that once you run ads and if you stop, they're going to limit your reach to make you think that you need the ads to just have your normal level of reach. Now this does make sense and it does happen. It has never really personally happened to me because I don't really toy with that Instagram promote button. I don't really like it. I'm more of a story ads kind of guy, but this has happened to a lot of people that I know. You know, they just run $5 on a post to just see what happens, and then their reach literally is like almost a quarter lower than every other picture on their profile. Now typically what happens, and if this is happening to you, all you need to do is just hold it out for a week. Understand that Instagram is just trying to have you spend more money on the platform. They're just trying to make more money, and the best attempt that they can do that with is to advertise you to spend money on ads, which they do with the promote button notifications. And then once you do, if you stop, they're going to limit your reach to make you feel like you have to keep spending more money on the platform to go ahead and reach more people. The tactic makes sense. Whether or not it's 100% true or not would really only be known to Instagram. Of course, they're not going to release that information, but if you run it and you suffer from it and enough people are complaining about the same thing, then it is probably true. But again, this stuff isn't like publicized on some type of article, so you can't like read up about it. So it almost seems as though what Instagram is doing is basically locking accounts into a mini Instagram shadow ban. They don't like completely ban your account or anything. Just as a shadow ban would have you not appear on hashtags and your reach is limited, ads and not continuing with ads would go ahead and limit your reach as well. Now the cool thing is that this can actually, you can get out of it. Obviously they're not going to limit you forever. They're not going to limit you for like years to come. Normally what happens is after a week or so, as long as you keep being consistent, as long as you keep posting more content, your stuff is going to go back up and stabilize at its normal levels and you'll start growing again. Honestly, I would just say to stay away from the promote button. It's seriously overpriced. If any type of ads you should be running, it's story ads, and even before story ads you should be running influencers because of how undervalued and underpriced influencers are right now. So guys, that is the Instagram ads ban, the theory, what's going on, and those are my thoughts on it. Let me know your thoughts on the Instagram ads ban down below. Have you suffered from this? Do you know anybody who's suffering from this? Have you guys went through this and got out of it? Let us know your tips down below. Make sure you go ahead and enter for the Instagram audit. Again, all you gotta do is be 1, subscribe to the channel, and 2, leave a thoughtful comment down below. If any of you guys are super serious about Instagram and really just want to learn exactly what to do and don't want to keep guessing and putting together puzzle pieces, I put together an entire free Instagram webinar where I show you exactly what big gurus are lying about, exactly how you can grow your account without being some fashion model and having this crazy lifestyle without investing a ton of time into the platform. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave that linked below in the description for free advanced Instagram training. With all that said, guys, keep grinding, keep hustling. I'll see you all on the next one.